So let's see here. We have. I don't know what the differences between these are. 4 GB 2R X8 PC3 12800U, and it's Hynix. It's double sided. I don't know what that means. This is very similar, but it's 1RX8 instead of 2. The speed numbers are very similar, but it's single-sided. So how does this have twice the chips but same amount of memory? And I think I remember hearing something about this before. So I have these ones here, and I think these are like the closest to a match for multiple sticks of RAM. I have this stuff here, came out of that $20 computer, and I don't know what it would be called, but it's 1333. Whereas these are going to be like, well, I don't know what the speed of these ones are. I guess they're 12800. Whereas this is, I don't know what 12800. That doesn't make sense. So 12,800 versus, or is that like no K on the end of it? So it'd be like 12.8K. I don't know how they're measuring these, but I believe that 12800 signifies 1600 megahertz RAM. So this is slower or something. I don't know. I have to look it up. I don't profess to know any of this crap. So we pulled everything out of here. I'm gonna do some checking around on some specs on this. This is the Windows machine, so I might swap some boards around, but we'll probably put this in there. I'll probably put this back in the other machine. Maybe the other machine can sit underneath here since it's a flat type of deal. But I've finally loaded the system here on this one. I swapped the hard drive, seems to be working, so I think we're good there. I'm not real crazy about this board, but the processor does run fast. For the price, it was really a smoking deal. So I had purchased the board that has like 2 gigabytes of DDR3, which I didn't realize was a lot, I guess, compared to what I had, because I guess the card I had 512 megabytes. So this having 2 gigabytes was a pretty big deal. I'm not able to get the onboard stuff to work though for the graphics, and it could be a setting in the BIOS, but I don't know. I finally found that setting after I was certain to have problems with other things, so I didn't bother to try and enable it because I didn't want to deal with that also. So basically this one here, I basically took the best of everything I could find out of everything else, and what this has is it's got this one here, which is a Corsair Vengeance, and that one is going to be rated yeah, at 1600 megahertz. Says the timing is 99924, and then I have the other one, which is a G-Skill Sniper, and it is also rated the same. If I can get it focused. So yeah, so that's 1600 megahertz, also known as PC3 12800. It says 4 gigabyte times 2. I don't know. I guess this was sold as a kit. The timing is the same. Clock timing 99924. So these should work really good in here, and they should be able to run at that maximum speed and not have to reduce the speed. They might have already been running the same speed with the other one, but I think with the clock stuff being the same, it should be better. And then I just have that sitting there for now. I bought that at Walmart a few years ago, so it's older. I don't know any specs about it. Those are some issues that I should be aware of. I don't know. But I just had it sitting there because this thing sits flat in here, and there's no good place to really mount it at the moment. So basically, we're just trying to build like the ultimate like fast Linux thrift store computer. With the picked up that other mouse the other day. Thought, well, I'm missing a few of these when I need them. I have a DVR for security cameras, and I need a mouse for it. It came with this really terrible one that doesn't work well, so I'm gonna hook this one up and get this one going. And this one I'm gonna go put it somewhere else or shelve it or whatever. But it's cool that I got it going, so it'll be a rainy day project when I'm bored.